Oh shit, my bad. Oh, God damn it. That's who they. This who everybody after. Man, I got the thing flipped the wrong way, y'all. So I can't see what I'm filming really, but I'm gonna point it in that direction. He's surrounded.
Did he follow that motherfucking broadcast?
He followed him out there. And it look like it's finna get down. Let's get ready to rumble.
Get it on.
Look at them tail. Look, Twitch. Don't watch me. Watch yourself. They gonna jump them. Hash browns in there.
Ooh.
Hash browns. That one. Little Tom ran. Say, I don't want no smoke. Man. What they doing? Huh? You watching them too? Y'all got a minute and 50 left. What y'all finna do? Y'all break that shit up and have a good day. And neighborhood cats. Welcome to Baltimore, where the cats are wild. We just on the other side of Brightwood. Yeah. You got cats and cats and cats and cats because it was nothing but rats and rats. That's right. Well, it don't look like they finna get down today. Keep you updated. We got a little female way over there by the trash can. Yeah. Meow. Hey, gal. What you call a